Hello everybody, Chris Reese, the California Mortgage Hero, coming to you from Roseville, California. And today's mortgage tip is to explain to you the difference between an adjustable rate mortgage and a fixed rate mortgage. A fixed rate mortgage has the same payment for principal and interest every month. And it's that payment every month until you pay it off for the next 30 years. An adjustable rate mortgage, however, is usually fixed for a period of time, be it 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and 10 years are the most common fixed periods on an ARM. After that, the loan goes adjustable based on an index plus a margin. Your margin is typically fixed around 2.25%, and then you would add that rate to the index at the time of adjustment to get what your interest rate would be. The reason you would take an adjustable rate mortgage over a fixed rate mortgage, well, there's many reasons actually. Here's the first that I like to explain to clients. Here's the main reason that you would want to take an adjustable rate mortgage over a fixed rate mortgage. People that take adjustable rate mortgages over those that take fixed rate mortgages will tend to pay less in interest over the life of the loan than those that took the fixed rate. And that's for two reasons. One, adjustable rate mortgages are less risky to the bank, so they offer you a better rate up front. Generally, the adjustable rate mortgage is going to be somewhere between 1 to 2 percentage points lower than that 30-year fixed mortgage. Now, after your fixed period of time, that will go adjustable, but here's the thing. Even during the adjustment periods, you tend to be paying less than you would have had you taken that fixed rate. And this can be seen by the chart that you see right here. So with this chart, you see three lines. You have the blue line that represents a 30-year fixed, the yellow brownish line represents a 3-1 ARM, and the red line represents the 5-1 ARM. And as you can see throughout this period of time, this is from 1990 through today, that the fixed rate mortgage is generally higher than the adjustable rate mortgages. So even in a period of adjustment, you're actually going to be paying less than you would have had you taken out that fixed rate mortgage. So there you have it, guys. That's the difference between a 30-year fixed rate mortgage and an adjustable rate mortgage. Both loans have their pluses and their minuses. It just depends on what your situation is. No two borrowers are the same and no two loans are the same. So give me a call at 916-502-1656 and I'll help you figure out which loan is right for you, whether it's the fixed rate mortgage or the adjustable rate. You can also give me a call for a free mortgage analysis, or maybe you want to know if right now is the time to sell your property and you need a free property value analysis. Regardless, just pick up the phone and give me a call. That number is 916-502-1656. You can also find me on my mortgage website at sacramentohomeloanspecialist.com. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next tip of the week. Go make it happen.